For over 30 years, ABBA Pure Performance Hair Care has been committed to formulating products with the cleanest ingredients available, while never sacrificing the performance that our customers and stylists demand. The ABBA commitment to purity includes a large range of products that are 100% vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, DEA-free, and free of synthetic color additives, phthalates, and sodium chloride. All ABBA products contain our exclusive Pro Quinoa Complex, which combines 3 powerful proteins, hydrolyzed quinoa, barley, and soy, to help restore luster, improve moisture, and add strength to each strand of hair. A blend of Abyssinian, coconut, and watermelon seed oils elevate all-in-one leave-in spray to an entirely new level of performance. Specifically created to provide superior combability, this refreshingly lightweight leave-in conditioner improves hair's elasticity for easier detangling while strengthening, moisturizing, and reducing breakage. It also greatly reduces frizz and provides enhanced thermal protection. Cleanse and condition your hair with your favorite ABBA products and then spray ABBA Complete liberally throughout towel-dried hair. Say goodbye to bad hair days. Now you can stop spending so much of your time dealing with problems and just start loving the way you look. Try new ABBA Complete All-in-One Leave-In Spray today. Since 1988, ABBA Pure Performance Hair Care has been the natural brand for the professional salon community. We love pushing trends and styles just like you, and our innovative techniques paired with clean formulas have helped define the art of hairdressing for decades.